Hey everyone, today let's make a fun fall lantern. In your kit, you will find this bronze piece of paper with a leaf pattern, 2 pieces of orange tissue paper, 2 pieces of yellow tissue paper, a light, and a piece of cardboard. Now let's get started. First thing to do is take the longest end and fold 1/4 of an inch in. Let's fold the rest into a square box. Now that you have it like this, it's time to go ahead and attach the tissue paper down the leaf patterns. Go ahead and trim the excess tissue paper off the end. Now let's work on gluing these 2 sections together. Now that it looks like this, we need to make the bottom by tracing the lantern shape onto the cardboard. Cut the cardboard to fit inside the lantern. Now that we have the perfect fit, it's time to glue it in. Now that everything's done, we can put in the light. Hope you had fun. See you next time. Bye.